Hello, North Bay Truck Center here. Just a quick introduction to our hydraulic line. We are Goodyear stocking dealer. We have over 1,800 hydraulic fittings, hose ends, crimp style, field style. We have a full line of hoses, heating, as you can see, Synflex, fuel lines, steel braid. Our hydraulic rack here. We're going anywhere from 1/4 inch up to 2.5 inch crimp, 1, 2, and 4 wire hoses. Here's our crimp machine here, our assembly hose rack, some more stock up there. This is a table that we'll use to assemble. These are more of our fittings here, a wide range of fittings, taking care of all of your hydraulic needs.
Hey, Jim.
And as you can see, yet again, more fittings. If it's a hydraulic need you have, give us the opportunity. I'm pretty sure we'll satisfy. Thanks for the visit. North Bay Truck Center.